Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share a couple projects with you that I've created. They're Easter spring themed. And yes, I have posted these on my Instagram, so you may have seen them there already. But I know many of you don't follow me there, so I thought I'd share them on my channel. So the first project that the one I just finished is what I'll show you first. I got a die from KS Craft. I think this was a January release, maybe. I don't remember when, but I just got it. So it's a luggage die, and I just want to tell you that when you get it, it seems really overwhelming because there's like so many pieces. But once you put one together, it's really easy. And I suggest if you have it or get it, that you separate the lid of the luggage from the bottom of the luggage, and then the little extra pieces separately. It makes it easy when you're trying to cut the pieces and put it together. So that's just a tip for you. Now I also used a collection from KB and Friends. That's Catherine's Etsy shop, and she does the most cute vintage digital images. And so this is the first thing I created, well, the second actually, but I just finished this one. It's this little suitcase, and I think is just so adorable. I love this suitcase. It's pretty decent size. I think it like about 5 inches and then maybe 3 inches deep. It's a really decent size box, so you could gift a lot of things in it. So I used the digital paper from her collection, and it was bunnies, or B is for bunnies, and the Littlest Lamb. There were two collections that I kind of mixed together, and then there's this collection, and I don't remember the name of this one, but it's one of hers that was newer, something to do with roses, I think. I can't remember. But anyhow, so I first made the box. I did a lot of stitching, as you can see. I put all the pieces together. I used some foil to do these pieces. I didn't have anything dimensional, so I just punched out pink foil paper and placed it on top of foam square, or foam, what do you call that? Fun foam, to give it some dimension. I used it here, and also didn't have a buckle, so I just cut this one by hand, just to give it the look of a lock. So that's kind of that there. On the front here, you can see her gorgeous, cute design. So I added the images from the different collections. I added a doily, some bling around, an old button, some old flowers, and just so cute. It's just a cute looking thing. And what I made this for was to house, I have a Velcro closure, so I made it to house ephemera that I've printed and cut from Catherine. So on the lid, I just used some of the ephemera with doily, and then as you can see, I have different dividers in here, and I'll show you one of them. We don't have to go through all of them, but just so you can have an idea. Let me get this out here. So basically, this first category is called bunnies, and so all the digitals that I print out, I normally keep them on the 8.5 by 11, but I decided to go ahead and just cut them up into categories and put all the bunnies in one spot with a divider card. So I did that for all the different categories that I have. Right now it's not too full, so I have some pink tissue back there just to support them. But once it's full, I think it'll be perfect to hold all these digital images. So that is my first project that I created, and I love it. Love the die. So then let's go to the next one, and this one I really love. This is an Easter basket that I created, and oh, it's just so fun and so cute. And it's hard to show it all because it's, it's kind of big. There's plenty of tutorials online for how to make this kind of a basket. But as you can see, I did a lot of stitching. I did a lot of different things. I added scissors. I used scissors to cut the ruffles there, as I did with the edge there. Here I have some of KB and Friends images as well. I have a crocheted flower at the back. Have a tiny little mushroom with some little old-fashioned forget-me-not flowers. Another crocheted flower back there, and then the bird. She's so cute. So that's there. I got some bows on the side, and then on the inside, these are all, let me pull them out. These are all coin envelopes that I created using her digital. So you can put stuff in these. I have nothing in them right at the moment, but you could put goodies and send them to your crafty best friends. And so that's one of them. That's another. Another. And the last one. And they are just so fun, and there's so much you can do with these. And again, you know, you could either make coin envelopes to put in there, you could make a mini album, you could do, I don't know, there's just all sorts of different ways you could use this basket because it's a really decent size. And as I said, if I remember, I'll put a tutorial to one that I didn't follow, but because I've known how to do these for years, but I'll link to one if I can find one on YouTube to show you in case you want to know how to make it. But so cute. So anyway, please check out Catherine's shop on Etsy, and I hope you're going to enjoy all the spring projects coming forward because I'm sure there will be plenty more. I hope so. I really love this time of year. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.